Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and in this video I have a huge unboxing. So let's just get this open somehow. Ooh, like butter. Oh jeez, okay. Oh my god, we got a cube stand! Just kidding. Nobody cares. Another cube stand? Weird. Why'd they send me two? Well, this is what I'm most excited about, guys. Because guess what? We just got a magnetic Wuch Way. Yeah. I've broken this in a lot. You can see by the sticker quality. I've used this for a long time. What else do we have in here? We got, oh jeez, X-Men Galaxy Wise Cube in here. This is a Way long. So I'm excited. Let's open this one first. The sticker looks a bit weird. Here we go, first turns. Nice. Actually, like, this cube's really nice. Alright, so that's that. Next we got the X-Men Galaxy Pyramids. So I knew this came with extra tile in case I somehow lose them. Oh, the cube is really heavy. Here's the pamphlet. Oh gosh, this is really heavy. Oh my gosh, this is really sandy. I'm gonna have to break this in quite a bit. I can already tell it's being broken in right now. So, holy moly. So I'm really excited for this, because this is my instant main. So, anyway. I'm just excited for this. But the thing I'm most excited about is this custom Wuch Way 4x4 Cubicle Labs. Oh, here we go. And it comes with another cube stand. Okay. Let's break this cube out. Okay. I can tell that this is gonna be good because oh my god, this looks so nice. But the blue looks really ugly. Actually. Why'd they make the blue lighter? Oh well. It's just... Ooh my. Holy moly. This is great. This is absolutely great. Look how quiet it is compared to my old one. Oh my goodness. This is going to be definitely my main. Hopefully I can get a bunch of sub ones with this. So yeah, that's my unboxing of these awesome cubes. So these 3 puzzles will be linked in the description below if you want to get these. I recommend all of these puzzles. They are all great, especially this one. Anyway, thank you all for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.